What is going on, everybody? S Trades. I'm back. I've been away for a while, and you guys might be wondering what was I doing. This whole time I was pretty much working on a project for you guys. I made a lot of videos that weren't really publicly out on YouTube, but in this video I'm going to discuss it and tell you guys all about it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I've been working on a little project of mine behind the scenes, right? Not really posting much about it. I kind of just hinted it here and there on Instagram. I posted about it a little bit, just a few Instagram reels, nothing too crazy about it. But I decided to make a whole YouTube video about it because I know this will help a lot of you guys, including myself, because that's kind of what I was looking for when I was just starting out trading. So what am I talking about, right? Now I know people are gonna start to hate me, or people are gonna start to talk negatively, be like, oh, here goes another guru. But I made a mentorship. Okay, I made a mentorship where I made a lot of videos on it, right? So everything was behind the scenes, right? Nobody really knew anything about it, and now I'm just kind of pushing it out, marketing, and trying to push it out to the people who ever need it, right? This isn't your ordinary mentorship, right? I'm not trying to be this fake scamming guru that is just gonna take your money and then give you absolutely nothing in return. But I just kind of want to give a quick rundown of what this mentorship is, who it will help, why is it actually a lot better than most of the mentorships, and very, very underrated, and for a price that is so cheap, you guys won't even believe it. So here goes the mentorship, right? I made this boot camp. Took me a whole lot of time to make this, right? So that's kind of why I was not really posting any YouTube videos, because my full on focus was just this alone, and that was pretty much all I was doing this whole entire few months, right? So what is this mentorship, right? Who's this for? Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner trader, if you've been trading for a year, two, or if you've been trading 5 years plus, whatever, like me, right? It does not matter, right? Because in this mentorship, what I pretty much ended up doing, right? So as we guys could see right here, so it is pretty much 24 plus detailed and improved bootcamp videos that I have on my YouTube, but with a lot more details and a lot more just straight to the point without any yapping, better quality, just straight to the sauce, right? I added a lot of more concepts that is not on my YouTube bootcamp. So it is definitely way better, right? On YouTube, kind of was my first bootcamp, not really so organized, but this was very organized, very structured, right? Straight to the point, but also enough details that you guys need to understand and actually know what's happening in whatever thing that I'm teaching in, right? Of course, I also added a lot of more concepts that have not been talked about, like I said. So that's part one of the mentorship, right? Again, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner, intermediate trader, advanced, whatever you are, it will help every single trader, because, right, the way I structured this bootcamp is I started off the first few videos to a complete beginners, people that just don't have any idea what trading is, what futures contracts or anything like that, right? I started off at the complete beginner and scaled it all the way up to like the very, very advanced towards end of the videos, right? So I went from the complete basics of the candlestick pattern formation, right? The how to tell trends, bullish, bearish, all that stuff, right? I went from all the way to those beginnings, and then all the way up to draws on liquidity, right? Fair value gaps, inversion, CISDs, rejection blocks, all these different concepts put together, how to tell what the draw liquidity is, right, and conditions, and all these things like that, which are more of advanced topics. And of course, my strategy video, my new and improved strategy, which is kind of was built upon my YouTube bootcamp video, right? But it was a lot more concepts kind of put together, and it's a little bit more updated than the older one, right? So those are pretty much the first things that you guys are going to be getting. Now, the second thing you're going to be getting is my contact info for any help needed anytime, right? Pretty much you'll have my number, you'll have my Discord. You could message me anytime, you could call me anytime for any help that you guys needed relating to trading or even outside of trading, whatever you guys need, right? Now, you guys will have also VIP access to my private community on Discord, right? So we'll have a whole different channel for the people that join the mentorship, right? Where you'll get to share all your thoughts, your P&Ls, questions, thoughts, anything like that, right? So you'll have that VIP access in my Discord, right? You'll have, once actually I'll get some members going and we have like a, group to go, we'll have weekly meetings, recaps, and Q&As, right? So every week, depending on how the group is looking like, we can do once a week, we can do twice a week, we could even do 3 times a week, right? Depending on, who needs what kind of help or whatever, right? So This also kind of goes more into the group slash private one-on-one coaching if needed, right? So what does this mean, right? For the most part, I'll be doing a group coaching, right, with just everybody together, right, with the weekly meetings, recaps, Q&As, and things like that. But if someone is struggling or if someone needs a little bit more assistance, right, I'll be more than glad to go and hop on a call one-on-one with them and just help them personally with whatever help they might need, right? So that's another part of the bootcamp, right? Now, this is again another very, very, very big thing, right? So whoever actually ends up getting my first mentorship, which is this one, right, will get access to all of my future mentorships for no additional cost. Now, this is huge, guys, because again, this is my first bootcamp, right? My first mentorship. And if you just get this bootcamp and if this mentorship, you'll have access to pretty much my future ones for literally no cost, right? Now, you guys are getting this whole entire package, right? This is what's called a high ticket mentorship, right? Everything that I'm offering over here is not just signaling a group or whatever. I'm not looking forward to get signal bots on my channel, right? No. This is the exact purpose of why I actually put a price tag on this information, right? Because I didn't want to give it out fully for free because people wouldn't take it seriously and I would not have an actual serious group to actually, work with. That's why I put a price tag. But now if you guys look at the actual price tag, guys, this is less than a goddamn funder account. Literally less than $100. You'll get this whole entire mentorship with crazy amounts of sauce, like insane amounts of valuable information, right? And I'm not saying just because it's mine or I want you guys to buy it to get I could care less. You guys don't even have to buy this mentorship, right? It's not even about the money. But like I said, the reason why I did put the price tag is so I can actually get some sort of more serious people into this group of mine, right? I don't want to get no signal bots, which is why I didn't make it like $20 or whatever, because if that case, anybody could go ahead and buy it and then I'll just get people that just want to signal bot me and just get my signals. I do not want to go into that. I don't want to do no signal botting. I don't want to do this BS because nobody will ever learn. Nobody will ever actually understand trading. They'll just be relying on you, relying on me, or whoever they're looking up to take their trades, right? That is not what I want to do. That is not the kind of community I want to build. And I want to build a community full of sufficient independent traders who at some point will leave and be all on their own, right? As for of course at the beginning with the help of mine, right? I want to help people out. If you're a beginner, intermediate, whatever problems you guys got, I can help you out, but I do not want you guys to be fully reliant and dependent on me just because I'm offering this mentorship right now. This mentorship is just a tool and a resource for you guys to improve on trading, whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, right? And once you actually do improve, and once you actually do have all the things that you need, and you guys are now starting to see results, then you can go ahead and be all on your own. You don't need no help. You don't need any source of, extra additional person or someone that's actually, keep on helping you. But by no means I'm saying that I'm going to cut off all the contact or whatever. No, like if you guys still want to be in contact, if you guys still have any questions, you guys still always have my contact information for anything needed in my Discord. So that will always be there. No worries, none of that will be ever cut off. But I'm just saying I want to build more of independent traders who are willing to work for their knowledge and don't want to just go in their signal bot and just be that. Like I don't want to be in that area. Okay, again, that is exactly the reason why I put a price tag, right? To be a little more serious people. That's gonna kind of who I'm trying to target it, not just free signal bots. People be like, oh well, if you're trying to help people out, why don't you give it out for free? I do have it for free. I have it on my YouTube, my whole entire bootcamp. You do not need to get this mentorship, right? This is more towards people that want to take trading a little bit more seriously, not just like on a side thing or whatever, right? This is if you're really, really serious about trading. And if you want to dial in, you have maybe like small tweaks or small trading mistakes that, videos cannot really go and help you with. That's when you would need somebody like personally to go ahead and help you with like a certain mistake or a certain advice that you guys might need, or even a group of different traders that kind of are like-minded people to actually help you out in that journey, right? So that's kind of why I built this, right? Get a like-minded community and just kind of grow together as a team. Now again, guys, this is what's called a high ticket mentorship. This right here, everything what I just provided for you guys will be at the very minimum, I repeat, minimum $3,000 to $4,000 at the that's the beginning prices for mentorships that offer all these things, right? $3,000 to $4,000 at the very beginning, and it goes up to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, right? So like this is crazy mentorship, right? Crazy prices. That's why I did not want to jack it up to like insane amounts of prices where you'll be absolutely broke and have to sell a liver or a kidney to actually go buy the mentorship, right? $100, again, if you cannot afford $90 to get a mentorship, a source of information that will be there forever, then you do not honestly deserve trading. Like anyone probably that is starting to trade can afford a funded account. that's a no-brainer. Like, don't tell me you guys can, this is too much or whatever. You guys all can afford a funded account, whoever is at least starting trading, right? And if you can afford a funded account, you could definitely purchase a investment like this, which could definitely exponentially help you, right? It's not just buying a funded account, blowing it, and that's it. No, this is a valuable information that will be with you forever. You'll be in contact with me forever. You can grow and just keep on growing for all price less than a funded account. Like, that's some crazy valuable information, guys. That's kind of like, I don't want to go too crazy in this video, right? Like I said, you're going to be getting all these things, right, for a price less than a funded account. Guys, do not miss out, right? If you buy this one, and I am planning to build up my mentorships later down the line, which will definitely be a lot more expensive. But for now, I want to just keep my mentorships to very, very low. Get my OG community, right? This is going to be my OG, my day ones, the people that actually invested in themselves since the beginning. That's kind of who I want to build my community with. And, that's why I want to give their, access to my future mentorships and all these things, and just have my, access forever until whenever they need it, right? So, yeah, if you guys are struggling with trading, if you guys have any questions, if you guys want to improve in trading or just anything like that, right? Even if you're an advanced trader, you have everything that you need, but you may be looking for a more consistent strategy. You may be looking for some psychologist help, right? You might be looking for some tweaks or some very like niche little advice or help needed, that needs an actual physical person to be able to actually help you out, right? You cannot find this on a YouTube channel, right? Maybe it's a little too broad or a little too specific, right? This is what this is for, right? So go ahead, guys, invest in yourself. I promise you guys, if you guys invest this for a price less than a funded account, I guarantee you guys, you guys will start seeing payouts if you follow all the things that I tell you guys. If you actually take this seriously, learn, take notes on all the videos, ask me questions, and go attend all my weekly meetings and all these recaps and things like that. I promise you guys will be becoming profitable. You guys will start to see payouts, and I'm guaranteeing you guys this. So yeah, guys, if you have any other questions, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.